Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up a nice little business for yourself and make up to $100 a day, and in all truth be told, probably even more than that. And I'm going to show you 3 ways to do it, and the third way will show you how to double that income in a very short period of time. Alrighty, so stick around, you're going to want to see this. I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. And as I told you earlier, I'm going to show you how to set up a nice little business of your own where you can make up to $100 a day. I'm going to show you 3 ways to do it. And the third way you're going to want to stick around to see, because I'm going to show you how you can double your income in a short amount of time with this. So you want to stick around with this whole video. Alright, let's get the to-dos out of the way. My name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website. And if this is your first time here to my videos or my channel, what we do here is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, and anything to do with making money online videos, because I'm always trying to bring time, freedom, and financial freedom into your life with each and every video that I put up on the channel here. Okay? Alrighty, also if you also have been here before and have not yet subscribed to my channel, well, while we're talking about it right now, just reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here. Okay? Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get in on this video here today. Anxious to show this to you. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our Opera browser here, and we're going to load this up, and we're going to come over here to Fiverr. We're going to be using Fiverr here today. If anybody's familiar with Fiverr.com, up here in the address bar, you see it right there, Fiverr.com. And what you're going to do here, well, first of all, it's free to join this site, you know. You can just click on join right up here at the right here, and then after you get signed up, just click sign in. And then when you click sign in and get signed in, you want to click on become a seller. You could actually click on become a seller even at the beginning and sign up through this way as well. And then when you click on that, that brings you over here, and you can click on here to become a seller and then get set up to become a seller, because what you're going to do here is you're going to create yourself a gig on Fiverr. And if you'll notice here in the search engine up here, I typed in here short video ads. You see it right here as well, short video ads. And you see we come up with all kinds of people here, which by the way guys, this is, as you see here, there's only 5,000 people that are into this. You can, if I can zoom in here, there's only 5,059 people that are doing this, which is a small amount of people compared to the billions of people that could use this service that are online right now. Okay? Of course, we know that millions of people are coming online for the first time ever in their life in the world still today. I heard a stat one time that the internet is growing by what is it, you know, 1 million people per day, it seems like, coming online for the first time and getting access to the internet and so on and so forth. So it's growing very much. So this market is wide open right here. Now, what you want to do is when you click on become a seller, you're going to set up a gig here to do short video ads for people that need video ads for their business, or their you know, maybe it's a YouTube ad or something like that, anything that they need a video ad for. Alright, and you can see there's all kinds of people here that offer this, and the prices range like 35, 100, 20, 50, 15, 15, 15, 20. I mean, you can see all different prices here that people are offering their services to create short video ads with. So what you want to do is set up your gig, and I just picked one here, is this one right here. This girl, because she's got a 5.0 rating with 83 jobs done, or ratings, 5.0 rating with 83 jobs and 83 comments or reviews on her work. And she starts hers out at $15, which is a good average price. You could set it to whatever you want it to be at, but you don't want to go real high to start with, you want to sort of be a little bit lower so that you can attract people in the beginning, because let's be honest here, it's going to take you some time, a little bit of time to build this up, right? This is a little bit of a small business that you're setting up here. Okay, now, so if I clicked on hers, which I've already done, and it brings me over to here, and you can see that she says, I will create a modern short video ad for your social media. And you can see her prices here for her basic package. It's up to 10 seconds, good high quality video, and they'll add the logo and URLs. And she's got 3 days delivery and 1 revision. And you can set your gig up to it could be, even with how you're going to do this, it could be 1 day delivery and give 1 or 2 revisions in case your customer wants something changed about it. Then you can give a revision up to 1 or 2. You could even set it to 3, I suppose, if you wanted to, and so on and so forth. And then you have a standard package you could offer. She's got hers at 20. You can set yours maybe at starting at 10, and then 20, and then 30, or whatever you want to do. But I'd set it to start with maybe a little bit lower than most other people, so that people will be drawn to yours instead of anyone else's here. And then standard package, she's got 4 days delivery on that. You can set yours to whatever you want there, although what you're going to do, I'm going to show you here in just a moment on how to do this, and it's not going to take but just basically a couple of minutes to do this and complete it, okay? But you can set yours delivery for whatever you want on each one of your packages. Now, when you create your gig, I recommend that you come over to something like this. I mean, you can pick any one of these that you want to model your gig after. I mean, you can pick any one you want, but let's say that we picked this one, for example, here. And you're going to put up some short little video clips on here of your ads that you created, okay, that you can use, or you can put images like a slideshow or anything like that. You want to put nice clips or images to draw people to your gig, right? So they'll hire you to do the work for them. Now, and you can see she's put several on here, and so on and so forth, little video clips and so on, and so on and so forth here. But anyways, you want to model your gig. When you create your gig, model it after what you see here. You don't want to copy somebody else's gig, but you can certainly model it after what they have with theirs here, and get your ideas from other people's gigs and set yours up. And then tell a little bit about yourself, what you can do. Maybe you can do like this girl here. She creates video ads and does graphic design works and video editing and so on and so forth. So maybe you have other talents that you can add into this to help draw people into your gig, okay? And then you have your package information right here. But what you want to do when you create your gig is to come over to somebody that's got a good rating like this and some good high reviews and amount of jobs that they've done, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you want to copy their related tags that you see here. Copy their tags and put those tags onto your gig, because Fiverr uses these tags to draw people into your gig, and also this is for Google search engine purposes as well, because all these gigs are ranked up on the Google search engine too, okay? And then so now that you've got your gig set up and ready to go, and you're ready to get customers, how are you going to create these video ads? Now you may say, well, Kevin, I don't know how to do these little video ads. How can I do this? Well, follow along with me over here. You're going to come over to this site right here. This site right here is called FlixPress, flixpress.com. You see right here, up here in the address bar, flixpress.com. If you come over here, you can create video ads, anywhere from 10, 30, up to 45 seconds, video ads, and so on and so forth. In fact, my video intro that you saw just a few minutes ago, between where I told you I'm going to get you started on this video right now, that video intro you saw, I created right here on FlixPress, okay? And it was just very easy to do. I'm going to show you that here in a moment. And you can see some of the different things about it down here. You can create YouTube intros, ads, slideshows, and promos. No experience or software is required to do this. and so on and so forth. And then you come down here and it shows some YouTube intros, promos and ads, animated slideshows, video announcements, explainers, pranks and gigs, and a whole lot more here. Now I'm going to play a little bit of this to show you how easy it is to do this. I'll play just a little bit of this, few seconds of this video here, and you can see how easy it is here with the people that talk about it right here.
Begin. I'm really not that good with computers.
Not a computer geek, but I found this website called Flixpress.com.
I just choose a design.
Enter my text, upload my photos,
And bam!
I have an awesome video.
In minutes.
It's
So you see, right there, it's that easy. You just pick a video ad, it's already there. You just add in your customer's information that they gave you on Fiverr, right? You add in your customer's details into that little video clip, which is just easy enough to type it in, and then it just automatically creates that video ad for you just that quick. I mean, it's really quick. All right, and what you can do also is you can come here. Oh, by the way, it's free to register on this site, guys, and then get logged in, and you can click on automated templates. Now, and you can see right here they have different categories here, and what you do is come over here and click on ads that you see right here, and then they give you different templates here that you can use. There are more templates than this, but I haven't signed in or anything like that, but you can see that it's easy enough to create. Like this is a 30-second one here. I won't play the whole thing, but just a few moments of it here. And you can see you just enter in your information that your customer gives you right into the ad, and it's got the background music, and sometimes even people will talk to and show about the ad that you type into and type the information into. All right, so just that easy, guys, to create a video ad here, and it just contains text and 5 images on that particular one there. And they have lots of different ones that you can use for that as well. Now, you can get started on here for less than $1 a month to create these ads, and they do have different price points here as well. If I click on that, you can see, click on the pricing, you can see they have a free, they have a personal, expert, professional, and enterprise. And you can, and it tells you a little bit more about it. I won't go through this, but you guys can see this if you want to come over here to this website and check this out. And they even have pay-as-you-go pricing as well too here. All right, so that's what you can do. Set your, that's the first way you can do this. All right, I got 2 other ways here. Now, set your gig up on Fiverr. Use Flixpress.com to create your video ad for your customers. And give once the videos, it's easy enough. Once it's created on FlexPress, you just download it to your computer, and then you take that video clip back over and give it to your customer, and you get paid. Now, here's another nice thing about Fiverr that I'll tell you too. The nice thing about Fiverr is if your customer likes your work, and after they pay you, they can also tip you. You can get tips on Fiverr also, which will also increase your income just that much more as well too. Okay, so that's a little bonus. I don't know if many of you know that, but you can get tipped by your customer as well as they pay you the cost of the work that you did. All right, so that's one way to do that. Now, let's say, for example, that you don't want to do this work yourself. You would rather take the lazy route, and you like the idea of doing short video ads, having a little setup on Fiverr about that, but you really don't want to do, you don't want to mess with FlexPress no matter how easy it is and how short amount of time it takes to do it. You'd rather not do it yourself. So what you would want to do then is you want to come over here to this place right here, SEO Clerk, SEOclerk.com. You see it up here in the address bar, SEOclerk.com. And then you'll notice that when I come over here, I did a search for short video ads, okay? And you see it comes up with about 5 different people here on this site to do that. What you would do is you just get your customer's order, right? You take the detailed information that the customer gave you and wants into the video ad, and you would come over here to SEO Clerks, and like you would hire this person right here for just $5. I mean, they have others on here, but just for $5, and that person will make the video for you, and give you the clip back, and you just take the clip back over to Fiverr, give it back to your customer, pay them the $5, and you collect the difference. So basically you're being a middleman in there, and you're getting the order and having somebody else do it, and then you just be the middleman and collect the money. Basically you haven't done anything. Okay, so you've made this money for nothing. All right, that's a great way to do it too. Now, that's the second way. Now, what about the third way I told you, where you can double up your money as well here? Well, if you look right here, it's a pretty wide open market right here for this particular thing, short video ads here on SEO Clerk. So why couldn't you, when you get joined up here, which is free to join, and then get signed in, why couldn't you come right over here and click right here where it says sell a service right here? Why couldn't you do that and set up your same gig that you have on Fiverr and set that same thing up right here on SEOclerks.com, and then now you've got two ways of making money, this would double up your income, and you'd be getting orders from both sites to do this same work. And even again, if you didn't want to do it, you can hire somebody else for cheaper right here on SEO Clerks to do it for you, and then you just give it back to your customer and collect the difference. Alrighty, well guys, that's what I had to show you today. That's a way that you can make $100 a day and probably even more as your Fiverr gig grows and gets stronger and becomes more and more people ask you to do the work for them. You can make a lot of money, even more than $100 a day. Alrighty, well guys, that's what I wanted to show you. First of all, if you like this video and got the value from it, and reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would. Also, be sure to comment on the video if you have any comments or questions or anything down there and below, and I'll get back with you on that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you want to have your own online business, where you can have your own online business and be able to make up to $4,000 in 1 day's time, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com, down there at the top of my description, and come over and check out my business, my full-time business, online business in affiliate marketing, where you can get yours set up in 15 days and have an opportunity to make up to $4,000 a day, and getting the tools and a personal coach to help you do it. Get the tools and the education on how to use those tools to maximize your own online business for just the cost of a Starbucks cup of coffee, about $7. Come on over, click Mentor with Kev, come on over, get signed up on my list, and get involved in the 15-day online business builder challenge, and get your business set up and get ready to make up to $4,000 in 1 day. A possibility, okay? Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Check that out, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have a great day now. Bye-bye.